Paige, I'm sorry that you weren't in source code, okay? But you're doing fine, man. You're Samuel L. Jackson. That's how I play. Don't worry about me. I've got big plans. Oh yeah, what are you gonna do next? I'm gonna have sex children's book called The Boy with Pink Hair. Children's book and scripted insults all over. Lamborghini is marketing the new sports cars being designed for everyday use. This is tiny.
Hey, silly. You just talking? What?